Hello students, welcome to my channel Day to Day Math. Today I am going to discuss the CBSE mathematics question paper pattern which applies for both standard and basic. I think most of you must be aware of the new pattern introduced from May 2021 batch onwards. I thought it's the right time to discuss the paper pattern with you all as the portions would have got over by now. Many of you would have already written one model paper by now. Anyway, let's look into the mathematics new question paper pattern in today's video. As you all know, we know that the total marks for the CBSE Class 10 paper will be for 80 marks. There's a reading time given 15 minutes and the total writing time will be 3 hours. The question paper will contain two parts A and B and both the parts will have internal choices. Now, here you will have two sections. Part A will contain two sections. Now, section 1 will have 16 questions. Until last year, it wasn't like that. So, this year, it is 16 one markers. And even in the one markers, you are provided with an internal choice in 5 questions. Now, what is section 2? Section 2 will contain 4 questions on case study. So, this is the newly introduced pattern here, the case study questions. So, case study questions you will get 4. All the 4 questions will contain 5 subparts. Out of 5 subparts, it is enough if you attend only 4. Okay, so here also there is an internal choice. Then come to part B. Part B will contain 2 marks, 3 marks, and 5 marks. So until last year, we didn't have 5 marks. We had only 2 marks, 3 marks, and 4 marks. Now 4 marks is being removed and 5 marks is being introduced. So, question number 21 to 26, you will have 2 markers. Question number 27 to 23, you will have 3 markers. And 34 to 36, we'll have 5 markers. So, now there's internal choice note given here. See, internal choice is provided in two questions of 2 marks, two questions of 3 marks, and one question of 5 marks. So you have ample internal choice given for you this time in the board paper. Okay, now for your better understanding, I have just indicated all these only with marks. So section A, part A, section 1, you will have 16 one markers. Same part A, section 2, you will have case study questions. So that is, this is for 16 mark, this is for 16 marks. So totally part A is for 32 marks. Then come to your part B. Part B will contain 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks. You will have 6 questions in 2 marks, 7 questions in 3 marks, and you have only 3 questions in 5 marks. So remember these internal choices. So you will have internal choice in 2 questions over here. You will have internal choice of another 2 questions over here. And even here, no, you have only 3 5 markers. But in this 3 5 markers, they are going to give you internal choice in one question, as it is mentioned here. So there's a total of 80 mark. You have enough of selection. You have internal choices. You can take time in the starting reading time of 15 minutes. You can take your time, select your options properly, and you can go in for it. So all the best for your exams. Do well. Hope this video helped you to understand the paper pattern better. Thank you, students. See you tomorrow.